Make sure they're very clean. Doesn't need to be dry, just very clean. Washing up liquid and hot water, wash them. Then a good coat of this on. So from the, luckily they've got a cutout. Look, they have a cutout for the decal. So leave that behind. Let's spray that with a bit of water. Washing liquid, get it wet, get that very wet. Make sure it's all wet. And then that one first, just to make sure that's lined up. Get it in the middle of the spots of the. Make sure it's wet, keep it wet. How's it to slide about a bit? It's not perfect, but oh shit. Never mind, start again. That's the beauty of having it wet. If it doesn't line up, start again. Squidgy all the water out. It's easy. I didn't think it'd be this easy. I was having nightmares while we were doing this. Mind you, we'll have to wait and see. That'd be a load of crap. It'll take a while to dry all that water out, but and you get these with it. Aliexpress special. About 10 quid cheaper, they're still 40 quid. Or 36 quid instead of 46 quid. I think. 36 quid. Not bad, Aliexpress. They're usually the same things that you get anywhere else from the named companies. They're made in the same factory. Edge, dry it off a bit. Get the water out of the way. Best to do this one first on the sides, because that's the one you see the most. Plus you want it to line up over the badge. Once it's over the badge, I mean it's not perfect on there, but who cares? Nothing's perfect. It's better than it was. Press the corners down until all the water's out. You can still see water's coming out of them.